mostly clear. Highs around 60. Lows in the lower 40s. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 60s. Lows in the upper 30s. Thursday and Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Lows in the lower 40s. For more detailed weather, water, and climate information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 73, effective until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Georgia: Fannin, Gilmer, Lumpkin, Towns, Union and White, and the following counties in North Carolina: Cherokee and Clay, and Polk, Tennessee. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent,
That's Dr. 1056 at our first tornado watch.